Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you two ways in which you can resize your images using Canva. So the resize feature that I'm going to show you is not available on the free Canva plan. So you need to have a subscription to Canva in order to resize your images here. I'll show you the image we'll be resizing in this video and we'll learn what are the ways we can resize the images. So here in my downloads I have an image which is 1024 by 1024 pixels and we'll try to resize this image in Canva. And there are actually two ways of resizing images in Canva. We'll look at it once we are at canva.com and we are logged in into our account. So I'm going to scroll a little bit here in the navigation bar and go to the projects. So we are in the projects tab now, and here we are going to go to images, and in the images we are basically going to upload that image from the downloads. So I'm going to upload an image from my downloads into Canva. So once I've uploaded the image, I'll open the image and I'll click on use in a design, and it will open in new tab and we'll be able to see the image that's opened here. And as of now this image is 1024 by 1024 pixels. So now to resize this image, what we have to do is we have to click on this resize and magic switch, and you'll find an option here that is custom size, and in the custom size you can enter whatever the size of the final image you want it to be. Let's say I want this image to be 800 by 800 pixels. So basically my original image was 1024 by 1024. I'm going to resize it to 800 by 800 pixels and click on continue. So you'll get two options here. What you can do is you can copy and resize, or you can resize this design itself. I don't need a copy of the original image because I have it in my downloads. I'm just going to resize this design. I'll click on that. That's it. So now this image has been resized to 800 by 800 pixels, and we can see here the size of the image is displayed as 800 by 800 pixels. So I'll click on share and I'll download this image as PNG. So now this image is downloaded in our downloads here, and this is the image that we downloaded. You can see that dimensions are 800 by 800, and the original image, which is also here, is 1024 by 1024 pixels. So this is one of the way we can resize our image in Canva, but there is another way as well which you can try. So both the ways do exactly the same job. It's up to you which one do you like and which one do you prefer using. So basically in the second method we are not going to start by uploading the image. Instead we are going to create a new design. I'll click on create a design and then we'll go to custom size. I'll put the dimensions that I want the final image to be. Let's say I want the final image to be 300 by 300 pixels this time. So I'll create a new design of 300 by 300 pixels. So this will open a new tab and we have a blank design of 300 by 300 pixels. Now you can go on the left side and click on uploads, and now from here you can upload the image, which is this one. This is the original image, which is 1024 by 1024. So now the original image is here. I'm going to click on this original image and add it to my Canva. It's a blank design which is 300 by 300 pixels. So I'll just move this image and cover the entire design with this image. So now this final image that we are going to download will be 300 by 300 pixels. So I'll click on share again and download. We are going to download the image as PNG. Click on download. So now this new image 300 by 300 pixels is downloaded. I'll see in my folder here. So you can see that this image is resized to 300 by 300 and the original image was 1024 by 1024 pixels. So these are the two ways we can resize our images in Canva. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment if you have any questions about it. See you in the next video.